Hello, welcome back. Today we are drawing a goat. G for goat. Let's start with the curve. We are drawing an egg-like shape. Now it's time to join it. Here we have our face. Now time to draw a nose. A small curve like this. Now a V shape. One, two. Now let's make two U shapes. Time to draw the eyes. Circle. Another small circle. Fill it up. Same on the other side. Try to keep it similar. Another circle. Fill it up. Time to draw the eyebrows. One, two. Quick and easy. Now time to draw the ears. Small shape. That's your first ear. Similarly on the other side. This is your second ear. Now time to draw two small round horns. Just above the ear. That's one. That's two. And now if you want to make the goat smile a little more, draw another U shape here. Now it's a smiley goat. Excellent work. Now, how do we draw the letter G? It's very similar to how we draw C with a standing line at the end. Let's draw C with a standing line and then a sleepy line on top of it. This is the letter G. G is for goat. Excellent work. See you in the next one.